episode of my Dark Bar cocktail series. In today's video, we are going to make my favorite drink. This is the drink that I usually order when we are at a resto bar. So, you know what is that? It's Sex on the Beach. I'm gonna need an ice. Yeah, this is the drink that I always I always order when we are in a restaurant, resto bar, something like that. And this is also the first cocktail drink that I drink here in Canada. And after that, I like it. So I always order it, and even here when you are at home, if I feel like I want to drink something, so I make it. 1 ounce of vodka. It's a peach schnapps. The French word of peach is peach. 1 ounce also. Orange juice. Ta-da! Just a little of grenadine. A little drop. This is sweet, right? It will give a nice color. Ta-da! We're going to put a cherry. Usually in the restaurant or in the resto bar, when I order this one, they put directly inside the cherry. And then they put this one in the top. And there's another one also. There's something like a monkey. I don't know where is that. Have you seen that one? I can't see it anymore. So, but this one I'm just gonna put on the top of the glass. There! Voila guys! The Sex on the Beach! Don't forget guys, don't drink and drive! Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. See you in my next video. Bye!